So J.C. Newman Cigar Company is still family owned and operated, and the one unique thing is that you'll always see the owners here, Drew, Eric, and Bobby. They're constantly at the office, at the factory every day, checking up on people, making sure that one, we're meeting production standards, and they also want to make sure that they're having a good time here and they enjoy their work. So this building has been here and is still standing, and it was first constructed in 1910. This building is 112 years old. It is known as the Reloj factory because it features a gigantic clock tower on top. All the factories around the area were all constructed the same way, so each factory needed a distinguishing feature in order for all the workers to know which factory they were going to, because they all looked almost identical. So we have the clock, and that's where we got our name, El Reloj. That also means the clock or the watch in Spanish. And it let all the workers for the entire city know when to get up, when to go to bed, when to go to school, when to go to sleep. So if you were a cigar maker and you were in bed and you heard the clock chime 9 times, then you were probably fired because you were late. So recently, we just started doing 3 tours a day. We originally had 2 a day. Now we're doing 3 tours a day. It's a very immersive experience. You get to see the entire manufacturing process from seed to smoke, as we like to call it. And even after the tour, we also have tons of exclusive items here in the store that you can't really find anywhere else, such as our Quest Array Cameroon 95 5-packs. Some of our bundles, like this Factory First down there, you can only get those at the store, and we have some exclusive items such as merchandise, novelties, things like that, that represent the city and represent the Cigar City culture here in Ybor. And they also give people a chance to go back to their friends and brag about it and say, oh, I went to the factory, I got this item, but you don't. Since its founding, Cigar City, also known as Ybor City, one of its most integral features is the tobacco itself. It's pretty much kept the city afloat. It's what first started the city. When the city was first created, there was only about 300 residents here. And now, since so many people started moving down here because we're a port state, and it was a lot easier to get Cuban tobacco, the city just completely flourished. It was a completely different beast once people started catching wind of how easy it was to get Cuban tobacco here. So it's been a deep-rooted history. It's fueled the Ybor economy, the Tampa economy, for many, many, many years and decades, and it's going to be doing that for the next couple hundred.